There's nothing better and nothing healthier than good quality water. And at Jason's Water Systems, we offer the best there is. Our whole house water treatment solutions offer a plethora of benefits, like making your water healthier, eliminating soap scum, reducing water spots on dishes, and more. And let's talk about your skin. Our water treatment will leave you with softer skin and hair. That's because we remove chlorine and other oxidizing agents that cause your hair and skin to dry out. And with 6 months no payment options on our new qualified water softeners and filtration systems, all backed by a lifetime warranty, we make getting the water you deserve easy. Pure water has never been so easy and affordable. Trusted maintenance programs, amazing warranties, and products all made in the USA. Let Jason's Water Systems give you the water you deserve. Call us today at 844-527-6671 or visit us online at jasonswatersofteners.com.